Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make groundnut soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. This simple method ensures a rich, flavorful soup with minimal effort. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a hearty and satisfying meal. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the groundnuts to simmering the final dish, making it accessible for any home cook. For our easy groundnut soup, start with about 2 cups of roasted groundnuts, which form the creamy foundation. Choose 1 pound of your favorite protein, like tender chicken or succulent beef. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a few chili peppers for a touch of heat. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of palm oil and your preferred spices to enhance the flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of palm oil in a pot, then sauté your chopped onions until they are fragrant. Next, add your protein, cooking it for about 5 to 7 minutes until lightly browned. Stir in the smooth groundnut paste, along with the chopped tomatoes and chili peppers. Finally, pour in 4 cups of water or broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer for 20 minutes. Allow your soup to continue simmering until it achieves your preferred thickness, which usually takes another 10 to 15 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, pepper, or any other spices to your liking. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve your rich, flavorful groundnut soup piping hot alongside fufu, rice, or boiled yams for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.